Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to be talking about organic material. Okay? So, how would you describe soil? Just think about a couple words that you would use to describe it. So, soil is dark and grainy and it helps plants grow. But let's take a closer look. So, what do you notice? Well, it's made up of a lot of different things. So, soil is actually a mixture of broken rocks and minerals and living organisms. Soil also contains decaying matter called humus. Humus is the organic matter in soil. So, again, just like the past 2 days, I'm going to circle what I would like for you to put in your notes in red. Okay? And again, feel free to pause this and copy your notes as needed. And again, these are going in your 5-subject notebook in the science section. And you can put organic material at the top. So for soil, you could put soil at the top of your page. Let's put what it looks like. And let's put what it's made of. And let's put this definition. That organic matter in the soil. Okay, and again, here's a picture of soil. I'm sure we all probably know what it looks like, but here's a picture as well. So let's talk about this humus. All right, it's the organic matter in the soil. So it's just parts of plants and animals after they have died. It takes in water and has plenty of nutrients. Nitrogen is the most important, and it's dark and soft and rich in nutrients. And the dark color actually helps warm up the cold soils in the spring. So, what I would like for you to write down from this page, let's put that at the top. And let's put this. Just put all 4 bullet points. Again, feel free to pause this as needed to take your notes. So, is this essential for plant life? Well, when plants and insects die, they are first raw organic matter. Bacteria and fungi eat this raw matter, but they don't eat all of it, and what they leave behind is just a very small amount. And the part that gets left behind is the humus. So there's always more dead material arriving on the top, so the soil always has organic matter in it, along with the small pieces of rock. So again, you can just add these few bullets to the ones you just wrote down. So let's write down this bullet point, this one, and this last one. Okay. So let's talk about compost. Do you know what compost is? Do you compost at your house? So another name for humus is compost. And actually many farmers and gardeners create their own compost, and it's pretty simple to create it. You just simply place fruit and vegetable parts into a small container and add organic material such as worms to speed up the decomposition of the plant matter and add more waste to the compost. And after it sits for about a month, the nutrient-rich compost is ready to be used in the garden. So my dad gardens at our house, and he actually used to have a compost bin out in our garden that he did. And we threw old lettuce leaves and banana peels and fruit cores and all sorts of things, that can be used for compost. We threw them in there and let the bugs, so there was always a lot of flies and gnats around it. He did at one point buy some worms to put in there just to help with that decomposition like they're talking about. So it can be really helpful. And then he would use that compost for his garden. And even if you don't compost at home, you can buy compost. We've bought trailer loads of compost to help us with the garden. for the soil and the plants. And this is actually a picture of a compost bin, and you can see all sorts of things are in there to be composted and decomposed and to turn into nutrient-rich soil. So organic material is essential for providing nutrients and minerals to plants. The roots of plants need minerals to grow in order to live and grow. So it is a critical part of healthy soil. So let's write down this last sentence for sure. It's a healthy part of soil. And this first sentence, organic material is essential to providing nutrients and minerals to the plants. Okay? So once you get that down, I'm going to show you your work for today. So your work for today is this. So we have a organic material kind of sort. There are 3 X's, as you can see, already given to you, and you have to put an X over the pictures that are not going to be organic material. So we have a flower, a mug, a water bottle. These rings are like what you would see on soda cans when you buy them in the store and they're bound together. That's what those are. A can of tuna, a leaf, a plastic bag, a fish, and a worm. So you're going to mark out the things that are not organic. You might have to copy and paste one of these X's to get some more. The directions for how to do that is down in the speaker notes of this slide to tell you how to do that in case you don't know how to do it. So finish up your work for today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.